Ow! You are mean. Doggone Debbie, they were having a vicious puppy fight. That Schutzen's coming out at them now. They were having a big time puppy fight. I mean, they're growling. You just love people, don't you? You love people, don't you?
Look at me. Good boy. Good boy.
And that's Anton?
Good boy.
Oh my Lord. Oh, God. I told you I should have ordered one of those puppy bowls for you when I got that Pet Edge order. Look at that. They're monsters. It's going to be gone. Look at that. Look at this one over here. He's dead serious. Look at him leaning into it. Their first food, huh? Look at that. It's good stuff, huh, guys?
I've got a big pan down there. I just need to get it, a big tubby pan. There's just 3 of them. I want to see what they do.
Just 3. They're big 3, though. Is that the one that I sent home with Ashley? A flat bottom?
I had one. It might have been. It may have been because I may have given my old one.
Look at those things. Look at them. Golly. The first taste of food. They won't go back to Mama after this.
They had some more bites of cheese. Look at him. He's waiting on
Look at it. They're all kind of...
No, they're squishy.
Well, that didn't last long. Uh-oh. Oh, my goodness. I'd be afraid to stick my arm in there. I wouldn't. I'd come back with a nub. This one's finally figured out there's stuff on the outside. Look at those little faces. It's all over their noses. They're healthy little guys, aren't they?
Yeah.
It smells like puppy food.
Good boy.
Can't chew on stainless steel very well, can you guys? They're all trying to get it. That was good stuff.
Ow.